Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria. Come and play with our animatronic friends.
Yeah. I want to play with Foxy.
Hey Joy, let's play the arcade games.
I want to go to the ball pit, Emma.
Don't forget to try our delicious pizza and drinks.
I want pepperoni pizza, please.
This game is so cool. I got the highest score.
I'm having so much fun in the ball pit.
Thanks for coming to Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria. See you next time.
Bye-bye Freddy. We'll come back soon.
I can't wait to come back and play again.
Me too. This is the best place.